Hey, welcome back to another review. This is going to be on the Sony XE300, which we've just unboxed. This one's obviously got an IP67 rating as well, 24-hour battery life, hands-free cooling, stuff like that. This is going to be a full review, hopefully, of that, and a bit of a sound test as well. I'm going to start with the shape. I really don't know what went on here, to be honest. I mean, it's hideous, if I'm completely honest. It's got like weird. I mean, it's not that it's not quality. It feels quite nice, and it's good quality clearly. But it just looks so weird. I just don't understand the thought process that went into this. Also, because of these, you effectively only get sound out from this little bit here. So it's almost like, I mean, it's a forward-facing speaker clearly. Like it's not 360. It will just shoot sound that way. But it's even less than that almost, because it's like a forward line. Like it says, line-shaped diffuser, but but I don't know why they've done that, because that's worse than a normal, like the JBL Flip 6, for example, is smaller, lighter, looks nicer, and is, well, they're not 360, but they've got more of a projection. This has, I mean, it's a very narrow, like, wall of sound that's coming at you, and obviously they're going to pretend that that's the type of shape of sound that comes out, and while it probably is, science-wise, it doesn't sound like that. You can only really hear its full, the full everything when you're looking at it like this, which is weird. I don't really understand the design, but it is high quality materials and it's all been put together nicely. Relatively light, nothing too overly exciting there. No lights or anything on this one, clearly just a simple, just a simple speaker. We've got a little like waterproof door at the back, which is literally just for our USB-C charger, nothing else in there. And yeah, bearing in mind the price on this is about 150, which is more than a JBL Flip 6. I mean, spoiler alert, I can't recommend this. It's ugly, it's a weird shape, it's bigger than it needs to be as well, definitely taller than the Flip 6, but it doesn't sound any better from my testing, and it's just really awkward to carry about, and I don't know, the shape of it is just really weird. I suppose it's fine if you've got it flat like that and you're pointing it like in the corner of a room, because that's fine, but like if I have this on this table, anyone here is fine, anyone standing over there can't hear much, or definitely can't hear what you've paid for. Like, can't hear everything, which is just weird. The bass on this is actually, I mean, I know it's not like the JBL has exposed passive radio, stuff like that. This doesn't have anything like that, but the bass is really tinny. It's really not even tinny, it's just not there really. So if that's what you're looking for, then obviously you're going to be wanting a more expensive, a bigger speaker anyway, because the bigger the better, quite literally, with bass. But this is not something that I could recommend for that. Whereas I did the video on the XG300 or whatever it was a minute ago, and I could recommend that. Spoiler alert, I can't with this one, but I'm going to do a sound test for you anyway. Again, we're playing the same song at the same volume, like 80%-ish volume as I did with the last one. So listen for yourself.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stay, 'cause the flames won't burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
So as I'm sure you can hear as well, that was 80% volume. This thing doesn't go very loud at all, so would not be good for a big room like this, or a party definitely. This is more of like a personal thing to carry around, or for two people maybe, but it's it's a bit overpriced for what it is. For like 50 quid more or 60, 70 quid more, whatever it was, I would rather get the XG300, the one I just made a video on before, or pretty much anything else. Definitely the Flip 6 was still cheaper than this one, in fact, and I would say better value for money. Also got a strap on it, so easier to carry around, put in your pocket, etc. This is a weird shape in all aspects. So I'm not really sure what Sony were doing here, but it doesn't work for me. Maybe it does for you. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.